Welcome back. Now a look at the other events in the state.
In an utter negligence of authorities, a PWD water pipeline chamber lid on Arle Agli highway was damaged by a heavy vehicle. Water was gushing out of the water pipeline and going waste in the Nala. PWD Water Supply Department officials failed to arrive on the site. Later, the activists informed Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai about the incident. Sardesai later instructed PWD engineer to repair the damaged pipeline. Activist Sankalp Kakurkar demanded that Chief Minister should inquire onto the misdeeds by government officials.
I also want to ask the Chief Minister whether any hate will roll because of this indifference towards the people of Goa. We are the people, we are the taxpayers, we pay you the money to run the government, and what you're doing is just laying death traps for us. This is the bypass highway. On this highway, the cable, the laying of the cable work, the power cables, has been going on for quite some time, and I think L&T has conducted that work. Now all that road has not been covered. All that road has not been covered well, it's not been patched up nor repaired, and it is sitting as a death trap for somebody to die.
Konkani Bhasha Mandal's 10th Shanai Goiba Kathamar competition will be held on 31st August, 1st September and 9th September.
21 ऑगस्टाक 5 कडेन आणि 1 सप्टेंबराक उरिल्ले 6 कडेन ही पातळी हाजी तालुका पातळीवयली हे जातली सर्त जातली आणि निमणी फेरी आसतली ती 9 सप्टेंबराक कोंकणी भाशा मंडळांत जातली. आतां ही सर्त जातली 3 गटांनी जाता, म्हळ्यार पयली ते चवथी एक गट, मागीर 5वी ते 7वी दुसरो गट आणि 8वी ते 10वी तिसरो गट.
Nuve Green and Clean, an initiative by Nuve Charitable Trust in collaboration with the Forest Department, Nuve Panchayat and other organizations was held recently. As part of the initiative, several tree saplings were planted on the road leading to Murda along the river Sal. School children also participated in the drive.
Today, it's a great privilege that all the villagers have come together, all the ward members, the forest department, our well-wishers, the Zilla Parishad members, and the forest officers have come together in Nuve to make a difference in the environment of Nuve, which we call as Nuve Green and Clean.
For the convenience and benefit of the people of Fatorda, local MLA Vijay Sardesai recently opened his new open office near Bolshe Circle at Gogol, Madgaon. Freedom fighter Tulsidas Malkarnekar inaugurated the office. Ex-president of Goa Mahila Congress Monica Dias congratulated Vijay for the work done for the benefit of Goans at large.
I would like to tell Vijay Sardesai and give him my good greetings and good wishes for the good work what he is doing for the people, for the benefit of the people of Goa.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Now news from sports. Dempo Sports Club are watching former Arsenal striker Rohan Ricketts, who has commenced training with India's most successful club. The 29-year-old former England youth international could become Dempo's major signing, but coach Armando Colaco feels the decision will ultimately hinge on Rohan's wage demands.
Here is Rohan Ricketts. Once hailed as future prospect for senior England side, the striker has, however, not made the most of his potential. Rohan has become a journeyman footballer since, with his clubs going into double digits. Rohan has now arrived in India and made himself available for a tryout with Dempo Sports Club. No doubt about his quality, Dempo coach Armando Colaco feels the decision on Rohan will be based on the monetary side of affairs.
He's a striker. His touch is class. Okay, he's from Jamaica. Half parents are from Jamaica. Was born in UK, so he's come on his own. He's gelling very well with this, and I like his attitude. He's sort of a guiding factor. Talks to everybody. So he needs more time to get gel with the other players and see how things are.
Okay, so you haven't yet made up your mind to sign him?
It all depends on how much he's going to ask. I love this player, but then I also have to respect what he's asking for. You see, we left Renty because we couldn't afford to pay a huge sum. So now, although he's understanding, he's much more matured, he knows our setup, he loves this. So I'm sure money will not be a problem with him, because he also wants to make a name here in India.
For more information about this exciting new signing prospect, MS Dhoni's interest in Dempo Sports Club and other issues, watch the entire interview with Armando Colaco in Simply Sport on Saturday. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Secretary of Goa Badminton Association Narahar Thakur has recounted the joyous emotions of the London Olympics as he was a part of the Indian contingent in the capacity of an observer with the badminton team.
Thakur has served badminton since a long time and as such has been a part of international events in various capacities. Recently, he was with the Indian badminton team for the London Olympics as the observer.
Now we were observers from Badminton Association of India. There were another 3 people who accompanied me, and our role was to oversee the arrangements, how the Olympics, and it was an opportunity given to us so that we can put this, if given a chance, when we have some big tournaments, we could implement this experience there, what we have seen.
Thakur was surprised to get a positive feedback about India's Commonwealth Games infrastructure.
When he saw my badge and from India, he said, yes, I have been to Commonwealth Games. And then my question to him was, okay, now can you put it right way and tell me how did you find the arrangements in Commonwealth Games to the arrangements what you see here? And what he said was, we were very happy with the facilities. We were absolutely taken care, very nicely taken care.
Thakur revealed how he was one with the country in expecting Sania Nehwal to deliver.
I will tell you, the previous day we were sure that we would be having, because we were thinking that we would get bronze. And the previous night, all 4 of us were frantically looking for a biggest flag so that we could be spotted here with those flags.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Umkal Falari.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/PrudentMedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.